Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canvas Studio to screen record. First, navigate to Canvas Studio, which you can typically find in your course or global navigation. Once there, look for the Record button, usually located in the upper right corner. Click it, and then choose Screen Capture from the drop-down menu. Before you start, take a moment to confirm your microphone and webcam are properly connected and ready to go. This ensures a smooth recording experience right from the start. Now let's set up your recording. You have flexible options for what to capture: your entire screen, a specific application window, or a custom area you define. Next, fine-tune your audio by adjusting the input levels and selecting the correct microphone if you have multiple options. You can also choose to include your webcam feed, which will appear as a small picture-in-picture overlay, adding a personal touch to your video. With your setup complete, it's time to record. Use the intuitive controls to start, pause, and stop your screen capture. Don't worry if you make a small mistake. Canvas Studio offers basic editing tools. You can easily trim any unnecessary footage from the start or end of your video. For clarity, consider adding simple annotations or text overlays to emphasize important points or guide your viewers through the content. Finally, let's save and share your masterpiece. Once you're satisfied with your recording and any edits, save it directly to your Canvas Studio library. From there, you can generate a unique shareable link to distribute your video or seamlessly embed it into any Canvas page or assignment. Remember to add a clear, descriptive title and consider generating captions to enhance accessibility for all your viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.